So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about HFCL share. So previously, when we have done the complete technical analysis, we have discussed what are the important supports and resistances. So today we'll try to just recap the levels what we have discussed in the previous sessions, and we'll see where the stock will head in the coming sessions. So today morning itself in the Telegram group have mentioned all the important levels of HFCL. So when it has started its initial recovery from the 50-day exponential moving average. So we'll try to discuss the elaborate levels so that each and everything will be in detail. So make sure you're watching the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and most importantly do join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide a link in the description. Okay, so before going to the technical charts of HFCL, so if we try to compare the day-to-day wise deliveries, so we can see on 22nd December, the stock has given around 28.4% deliveries with almost 1.5% positive movement. So last two sessions, we have seen a very good movement in the stock. So we can say more than 3.5% return has already been generated by the stock, and rest if we see in between we have seen more than 7.7% fall, but however the stock has maintained that good trend when market also has started retracing, especially Nifty also. So in the last three sessions we have seen a very good recovery. So obviously all the stocks which have given correction in the recent times, they have also started retracing. So HFCL has crossed a very good zone of buying. So we'll see what are the next immediate levels that we need to focus. Okay, so first if you try to observe the weekly chart of HFCL, so we can see these are the same levels that I have discussed earlier. So the support was somewhere around 72.39. So the stock exactly from that zone itself, it has started retracing. So many people who asked me about what is the best level to buy HFCL. So clearly I have mentioned 72 as a very good level, and many people have taken as well. And after that 78 was acting as a resistance for the stock, and today it has given comfortably a closing above it. So with marginal, we can say 0.2 rupees, the stock has closed above that 77 or 78 rupees level. Okay, so next you can see the stock is completely free, and it should head towards the 86 rupees level. So once it crosses that, then we have the most important level of 93.90. So these are going to be the near term levels that you need to keep in radar. Okay, so this is in weekly chart. So let's even go to daily chart. Okay, so now if you try to observe the daily chart very well, so you'll be able to understand. So today it has given a very good closing about that whatever 77 or 78 zone, after taking a very good support near the 50-day exponential moving average, which was around 74.23. And as I told, the stock almost has come to the zone of 72.39 and started reversing. So next immediate levels, first one is somewhere around 86.29, and afterwards we have 93.90. so keep these two levels in radar. So 86 as for swing traders who are doing any short-term trading with stop loss around 74, you need to take a swing trade, and who are trying to invest for long term, so just invest around 78 or 79 for 86 and 93 rupees levels as near term targets. So long term, obviously it would give some very good returns. So considering short term point of view, so these are going to be the two immediate levels. Okay, so very good stock, nothing to worry about it, keep holding. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.